This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arunachal Pradesh. The centre has asked all the states and union territories to strictly implement the lockdown measures in letter and spirit. In a letter to state chief secretaries and union territories administrators, Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla said, it has been noticed that some states and union territories are allowing exceptions beyond what has been permitted under the lockdown. He said this amounts to violation of the lockdown measures announced by the centre under the Disaster Management Act and may defeat the overall objective of containing the spread of COVID-19. In Manipur, a person who took part in the religious congregation held at Nizamuddin, New Delhi, has been found positive of novel coronavirus. As of now, Manipur has found 2 positive cases of COVID-19. So far, sample from 11 persons from Manipur who took part in this religious congregation has been tested and 9 were found negative. 1 sample tested at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, has been found positive of COVID-19, while test result of remaining 1 person could not be finalized yesterday and retesting will be done today at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal. Those who were found negative in the test result have been kept in quarantine centers in their concerned districts. In Assam, 4 positive cases of coronavirus have been reported yesterday. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that all are undergoing treatment at Guwahati Medical College. The minister said that all are stable now. Another COVID-19 patient is undergoing treatment at Silchar Medical College. All had attended the Tablighi Jamaat congregation in New Delhi. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has called on the people who took part in Tablighi Jamaat congregation at Markaz Nizamuddin in New Delhi from Assam to voluntarily come forward and identify themselves before the concerned authorities. In view of the ongoing crisis on COVID-19, the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, has informed the general public that a team of psychosocial care providers, counsellors, has been set up to provide counselling to people who are in need of psychosocial care. Psychosocial care and support will be extended to victims of the pandemic and their caregivers, including their family members who may exhibit symptoms of stress and mental trauma, including distressed people who have been recently exposed to a serious crisis event. People who are in need of psychosocial support can talk to the counsellors on the helpline number 0364 2500 or 2500 777. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said his government has decided to provide an allowance of 35,000 rupees per month to 8,882 teachers who lost their jobs after their recruitment process was termed faulty by the Supreme Court. The terms of employment of these teachers were expired on Tuesday. He said, of the 10,323 teachers, many of them managed to get other jobs, and at present there are 8,882 whose terms of employment were expired on March 31st, 2020. These teachers will get the monthly allowance of 35,000 rupees, Deb said. In Mizoram, statewide lockdown is being maintained strictly with people staying at home. Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthang said that the state has so far not faced any violation of social distancing during the lockdown. He said Mizoram is at present one of the best performing states in observing the lockdown. Information and Public Relations Minister Lalruat Kima said the lockdown is being enforced strictly due to the united efforts of the church, NGO and government, and as the local task forces are keeping constant vigil of communities everywhere in the state. Arunachal Pradesh government will be providing financial assistance of 2,000 rupees per month in April and May to all registered construction workers in the unorganized sector. The decision will give relief to thousands of construction workers in the state who have been hit by the nationwide 21-day lockdown imposed in the wake of coronavirus outbreak. Each worker registered with Arunachal Pradesh Building and other construction workers' welfare boards will get an amount of 2,000 rupees per month for April and May as cash relief, its Secretary Jale Sonam said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.